This is why you always hear me say, your job is fine. It's generating your what? Income. As long as you're turning your income into some form of what? Capital, you fine. See, you should go to work with a different attitude. Like, see, the job only sucks when the only thing it's providing is very little for your lifestyle. Then you're like, man, all I'm doing is trading time for dollars. This sucks. Now, first time your boss says something, you snapping. They snapping, you snap. Because there's an antagonistic relationship there between your boss or your job and you. A lot of times, the reason you have an antagonistic relationship between the two is because you're trying to expand and the company's trying to contract. So that alone is conflict. You trying to expand. I got big vision. I got big dreams. I got big goals. I got big everything. Your job is like, let's cut back. We're paying too much. Do we need to cut the pension? Should we kill your salary? Should we cut this whole division? So you're in a expansion mindset. Your job is in a contraction environment. So it's frustrating. So you'll change your attitude at work if you go in there every day like, you know what? I'm only here to get some capital money. That's a whole different mentality right there. Now you go in here like whatever. I'm just here to do what I gotta do. But when you know what most people in America do? They stop on step one, income. Then you look up and you're 65, and income never became anything other than that because you didn't have any allocation. I'm telling you, this will be a tipping point for you. You will be tested on this in 90 days. I mean, in life, not like me, pop quiz or something. You will be tested on this in 90 days. Because this is how it works. This is how it really works. So, watch this. You got a job. You got income coming in. You take 30% of that and then put that in the capital jar. You don't have to touch it. You just know right now you're building some capital for something. That way, now work wasn't just all in vain. Even if you get fired, you like, shoot, before I got fired, I put $15,000 in my capital. Y'all did something for me. You see? Now you don't go in there and shoot the play. What? I'm cut. What? People come back mad. I know y'all didn't just say, you letting me what? Say the F word. Say I'm fired. Say it. Say it. You won't do that if you got $50,000. Then you like, okay, at least y'all gave me some capital. I got some seed money. Y'all didn't just use me. You see what I'm saying? But that was on you if you let them fire you and you didn't get nothing out of it. You see the difference? That's the difference in mentality. It's just a difference in thought process. That's all.